No, come. Sharing is caring. Come on.
Use it. Sharing is caring. Okay. Sharing is caring. No,
There's
we
a
can.
plant. Imagine at the airport, huh? They try to scam you. Everything is so close. It's not like Manila traffic. You understand? There is going to be stop and there's a 10 minutes drive. It's not there. They're not going to tell you which bicycles there. You know? So no, over here, you're not going to find any bigger taxi or bicycle. Yeah? Really? When I called the hotel, they said no. Come out and you get bicycles. So yeah. Excuse me, pardon me. Oh, yes. You think you can eat dinner in 3 4 hours? Sit!
I don't know.
I'm gonna get hungry, so we need to save up to take hungry.
Maybe just one whole pizza today. Because if I'm hungry, maybe two. But if not hungry, only one.
They don't have an oven or anything over there, no?
Yeah, no. Or when this place, they put this on.
This one,
Yeah. I'm so full.
huh? Full,
So
right?
full.
Mm.
And if you're gonna get the massage, you're gonna go steep.
How much come on the cold? Raj, but you know, lie down like this. But you went on the beach.
Yeah. So we are done. We enjoy our lunch.